Okay, now getting back to the content. See, after plagiarism checking, you can see the results. Is it visible to you? Completed 100% check, plagiarism 10%, 90% unique. Unique means those words are perfect. And here you can see in red, plagiarized material. Click onto that red one, compare. It will take you to the site from which I had copied. You can see the site from which I had copied. You can see the first a novel learning experience that is written in my content, and you can see from where I have taken that. A novel learning experience that increases student motivation. So this is what it does. It shows from where it is taken. So copy that particular sentence, and I told you no, English to Spanish, Spanish to English, you can get over this one. Hope you understood what I am trying to say. Okay then. Now we are coming into the important part. Martin Dugiamas, the man, the father of Moodle. He was living in a remote village in Australia, and he did his schooling in distance mode. So when you are doing in distance mode, you will be have that urge to meet the teachers, interact with them, so that you will be getting personal attention, etc., etc. So he did his schooling through that way, and he missed the school a lot. Then at the age of 17, what he did was he joined Curtin University. And when he joined there, he saw that the institutions had incorporated WebCat into the system for communication between faculties, for passing on notes, etc. and etc. And he realized that the faculties are not interested in using the web. If has not happened in India or the world, I don't think we will be meeting in virtual world, because we faculties are hesitant towards something new. We try to use the tried and tested things forever and ever. So he realized this fact, and do you know what he did? He resigned from his job and joined as a PhD student. In 2015, he completed his PhD, and his PhD was in the development of a learning management system, which popularly known as Moodle. What do you mean by Moodle? Modular, object oriented, dynamic learning environment. Hope you understood the full form of Moodle. There are three important functions for Moodle. There are three important functions for Moodle. That is an authoring tool, an administrative tool, and a means of communication. So these are the important function. Authoring tool means, of course, you know that it is the development of a content. And administrating tool means that is the management part, that is learning management. Authoring tool, it is the learning process. Administrative tool means that's the management part, and finally the means of communication. That is important to us. Then what are the options available? One of the options that they earlier experiment was that installing the whole module into the system. System means your desktop system, okay, and making it into a remote server. That means you need to download this TGS file or zip file, download it and install it into your desktop. And one of the defect of such a system is that every 24/7 that desktop should be live, then only students can access it. So the popularity of Moodle got deviated slowly. Why? Because no one is interested in converting a desktop computer into a remote server, which is accessed by students and intruders as well. As you know, the piracy level and other issues are very high nowadays. So the popularity got diminished a bit. So what they should
Excuse
do?
me.
Yeah. Hello.
Excuse me, sir. Can you share it as slide share? Because it will be more visible.
Okay. 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 Sorry. Sorry. Is it visible now?
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
See, these are the things: a authoring tool, an administrative rule, and a means of communication. So what you need to do is you need to download the TGS file or the zip file and install it into your system. What it does is it automatically becomes a remote server whereby students and others will be accessing it. Others means intruders. They will be outsmarting you, putting some trojan etc into your system, and though you are getting into more and more trouble. So what the process specifies is that you need to have a sufficient space, sufficient hard disk, database server. It should be a database server. Then installing, you should install a web server with an IP address and PHP, and then download Moodle and install. So these are the components that you need to install one by one by one. So that is the issue. Then the stable platforms where it works are Vistas, Windows, but they prefer the free version, that is Ubuntu. So Ubuntu, as you know, is not a popular one and it is a tedious one. So the popularity got diluted. So they came back with the new option, that is Moodle Cloud. So friends, we are at the doorstep. Can you take a new tab? Hello? Can you take a new tab and
Yes,
type?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yes.
Can you take a new tab and type moodlecloud.com?
Okay, sir.
And you can see down below, get started for free. Get started for free. And you will be seeing the screen. Friends, relax. If you have any doubt, relax. I'll be stop sharing and I'll come back to you. Then you can see these options: free, starter, Moodle, etc. So for free, you don't want to spend any dollar, but from starter, you need to pay $80. For the time being, we will use the free version. Can I go to the next one? Click on to free and you will be going to that one. Today, you will be hosting your site, your learning module, which can be accessed by the students 24/7. Can I go back to the next? I'm just pausing for others to come back because the count of participants today is 122 or something like that, more than 100. So friends, if you have any difficulty, I will be stop sharing after a few minutes and we will take into account each one of you. Moreover, we will be circulating the videos as well. So you don't want to worry about the other technicalities. And we will be sparing some time after the completion of this session for a one-to-one interaction as well. So after that, let's get started. Create a new account. Let's get started. Create a new account. So when you click on to create a new account, it will take you to this page. I confirm you are 18 years. I agree to Moodle Cloud terms and agreement, etc., etc. The thing which now normally we face while installing an app. So in that we will not be checking. When you install an app, they will be asking. The app is asking you to share your address, your contact details, your photos, and your everything. You will say yes, 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 yes. Do you know what? You had become as an open book to the public domain. We are in a hurry to install each and every app in our mobile. So this is the issue. So all of them are including into our activities. And every now and then you can see the Facebook and mail always live and active. So when you go to some place, your friends will be getting an information that Facebook conveys that so and so is near to this district. Okay, then coming back, click on to all, and next, friend, some of you had forgot to put the mic in mute mode. Please put the mic in mute mode. Hello, hello, or reduce the volume at least. Please do us a favor. So now type your name, first name, family name, email address, and don't forget to give the mobile number. Mobile number is your personal mobile number. Don't give some false numbers. And you should change that American to Indian. You can see an American flag there. Your time zone, Calcutta. Your email address, etc. Because a OTP will be sent to your mobile as SMS. You need to insert that to complete the process. So give your correct number. Okay. Now organization type, organization name, street address, city. You can give some alphabets, or if you want, you can give your address if you are interested in holding it for some more time. Then country, specify the country and your role as faculty member. I wish to receive Moodle news, tips and updates. Click onto that. Hello. This is it. Select country and this thing. Go to the next one. Enter your name, your mobile number, and details. This is what I have entered. University of Kerala, University College, house address, Trivandrum, state, I have given something, PIN, I have given something, India, faculty member. Hope you have completed this process. Am I in a hurry or should I reduce my pace? Hello? Should I reduce my pace or can I go on? Oh, okay, great. So I'll be going to the next one. See here, you should be judicious.
Time zone
Time zone you can give Kolkata. That is better. Something in India. Hello? Then what you should do is give a name. A small name is better. Don't give your full name. Because we will be giving this address to others to type on their web bar, toolbar. So I had given a small name .moodlecloud.com. Don't forget this name which you had given. Friends, type a small name, type moodlecloud.com. And down below, you can see I had given a site name, places to host as Ireland. Why I have given Ireland is that I think the rush of traffic to Ireland is less rather than USA. You can use any place. Then below that, trying out and evaluating Moodle, because it is a free. So what you are doing is you are not using, you are trying to evaluate the efficiency of Moodle in your daily needs. Hope this page is clear to you. You can give any place, Ireland or anything, USA, Canada, anything. But the last one, trying out and evaluating Moodle. Now, a verification code will be sent to your mobile. Take a look at your mobile. You should have got the SMS. If you not, click on to down below. I didn't receive my code. Enter that OTP in this space. What they are doing is they are trying to verify if you are genuine.
Hello, sir. 1 second.
Yeah.
Hello.
Should I
Sir,
go back? Should
no,
I
sir.
go back?
Site name means .modulecloud.com. What about to say?
Varghese sir,
Yeah.
Varghese.moodlecloud.com.
That means my site. There is a typing portion where there.
If you want,
What with
if you want to give chemistry moodlecloud.com, I think you will not be getting, because it will be showing your site name is available. Try permutation and combinations. If
that
your
means
site,
I like to type psychology. It is a possibility.
no, type and see. You change the spelling. Psycho, you put some Z or something like that.
Oh, anybody take that one?
Yeah. So you shuffle with your spelling. Add some extra L or extra O. You will be getting.
Can I give my name, sir?
Of course. Try and see.
Yeah.
I think Varghese is a popular name, and I think you will not be getting it. Just give it a try. Let me see how it works out.
Yes, it is available.
Great. Then you are lucky. Go for it. Okay.
Then that need a capital letter. First one is capital.
No, everything is small. Everything is small. Website normally comes in like email address. It is small is better.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So if you tell some other person Varghese, for Varghese you type V capital and rest small, then it will be confusing for them. You tell Varghese all in. They know Varghese.moodlecloud.com. Then they know that the all letters are in small letters.
Small
not
letter.
in-
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Friends, any
Yeah.
issues? Can I go back? Okay then. Now you will be getting an OTP. Varghese sir, check your mobile and enter that OTP.
Okay.
Sorry, friend. I am in a screen. Yeah, thank you. So verify your identity. Choose a password. The best password should be alphanumeric. I will tell you. You take a look at the spelling PASSWORD. Put P as capital, A as at P as capital, A as at, S as dollar, W in caps, O in zero, RD. That means it should have a combination of alphabet, numerals, symbols, etc. Prepare a password, and if your password is good, it will be showing green. Otherwise, orange will be orange chalega, but red, be cautious and be careful. Don't forget your password. Please, after giving the password, take it down. As and when you log in, don't ask me the password. Sir, what is my password? Then sorry, I don't know about that. So as and when you enter the password, you should keep it in mind. The username you will be entering is admin only.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please, I am here.
Yes, sir. Please, sorry for the interruption. I have
No,
a
there is
small doubt.
no issues. You can interrupt me at any time.
Yes, sir. I'm also typing the Moodle Cloud in another device, but I have a doubt that Moodle is a software which could be accessed only through Moodle Cloud, or shall we go for some other site like Genomia?
See, that is a free one, and there are technical issues. When you are free, just go and search comparison between Moodle and your preferred one, and they will be telling that you better depend on the reputed one than the other one. So It is better if you
Okay,
use it,
sir.
but the benefit of the other one is that you can enroll more than 100. There is no time limit, etc. But regarding updates and all, Moodle Cloud give you the best. So go to review or compare between Moodle Cloud and your preferred one, and you can see the comments. So that is why I advocated this one. All updates,
Okay,
all
thank you,
stable,
sir.
everything is stable. It is like using purchasing a Windows OS and using a pirated one. Both sound similar, both will do the things in a perfect way, but you will be getting into trouble someday.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Any
But
questions?
the free version is accepted only up to 45 days.
Yeah,
No?
that's
So
it.
that is why I asked
Ah.
you.
See, if you are seriously into this thing, go for paid version. That is better.
Thank you,
Okay
sir.
then. Hello? Anyone else? Can I go to the next one?
The next is, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
That's fine.
some participants are requesting to slow down through their chat box and
Okay,
WhatsApp.
okay.
Okay.
So I'll be repeating. Ma'am, do you want me to repeat the whole process?
No, they want just to slow down.
Sorry. Because I thought you will be frowning at me for lacking this page. So that is why I put on my top gear.
No, people have to see the slides and I think they need some more time on slides and all. Okay.
Okay, great. Anyone else? I am here. See, when you are silent, I think everything is perfect.
No,
Sir,
sir, I
time
am Varghese.
Time
Yeah.
zone.
Of course, sir. I can recollect your voice. You don't want to introduce. You
Oh,
bluntly
no,
the
but
question.
I have not yet received the SMS number.
Just go back down below. You can see I didn't receive my code. You might have typed the number. You might have made a mistake. Then you should do the process again. Take your time. I will wait. 12:30 is the deadline to host. There is sufficient time. One more hour is there.
Maybe I continue the process
Yes,
after
please.
12:30. No problem.
Don't worry. Sir, you try back because I'll be giving sufficient time. Don't worry. Do it again.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
please.
sir.
Yeah, there was a question. Come on, please ask the question. Hello.
Sir, I am. Sir, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I already have a Moodle account. Can I use that? Proceed with that?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay.
It is
Thank
for
you.
others who doesn't have anything.
Okay.
The rest of the things
Excuse
we
me.
will discuss slowly. Yeah, please continue.
Sir, this Moodle Cloud is available for trial of 45 days.
Yeah.
Suppose it expires after 45 days. We can use another account and for the other, you can say, other 45 days for another 45 days.
Yeah, there was a discussion regarding another version of Moodle Cloud is available, which lasts forever. But I am not in a position to advocate that. So that is the
Okay.
reason.
So
So
we can.
one more thing. See, you will be having some 20 years of service left.
Okay.
Better go for something paid version which will last forever and ever.
See, that's good, but I'm just asking if after 45 days, if the account gets expired, we
Yeah,
can go for another account.
you can create many accounts, but you need to have independent phone numbers. You can use your husband, your kids, everything
Okay.
you can use, but
Okay.
they need only a particular phone number and a particular email address. So
Okay.
do keep that in mind.
Excuse me, sir. I
Thank
have
you, sir.
completed. Excuse
Yes,
me, sir.
great. Congrats,
Okay.
Varghese. You are the
Okay.
owner of a website.
Okay, thank you.
Varghese.moodlecloud.com. We will come to that site slowly. Anyone else? Hello.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, great. Anyone else? Can I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Neelu ma'am, congrats. When is the party? When is the party?
E-party is going to be arranged very soon.
Okay. See, please courier because it's lockdown here, so I am not in a position to get out. Please courier me all the items to my address.
Okay.
Hope you know my address.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Sir, 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Username is always is my mobile.
Admin. You are the administrator. You are the owner. That is why I congratulated you. You are the boss of the site. Yeah.
Okay. See,
Take a new tab and type. Friends who are sitting idle and relaxing, take a new tab, type your name, the name which you had given, .moodlecloud.com. Enter the user all in small as admin and the password. Can we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
So you can see success and your portal is ready. And take me to the Moodle site. Click onto that and it will take you to the particular site. This is my new Moodle site. Hope everyone got this page
Yes.
clear. So this is where we are going to experiment with the e-learning module which we developed.
The message okay.
Anu ma'am, can you please switch off the audio?
It.
Yes, sir. Done.
Hello?
Hello,
Yes,
Sam
sir.
sir.
Yes, I am here.
Sir, can you repeat what I want to type
Where?
in the new tab?
See, there is a last link. You click onto that, it will take you to the site. If not, type your name .moodlecloud.com. You might have given a web name. I told you to use a small name. So that small name .moodlecloud.com. If you had given a big name, it is well and good. Type the whole name. Type .moodlecloud.com. Then enter your username, admin, and the password. It will take you to this site. This is the look of my site. It will not be showing this name. It will be showing your name. Down below, teacher. It will be showing your name. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Great. So can I go back to the next one? This is your site.
Yes, sir.
Take your if you want to cross check, take your mobile, type this web address, and you can see the site live in your mobile as well. But keep in mind that your mic should be mute. Friends, can I go to the next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Only 2 yeses out of more than 100.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great, great. Now, take a look at the screen. You can see a hand symbol showing to the right. Click onto that and to turn editing on. Turn editing on. You can see this one. Turn editing on. Have you seen this one?
Yes, sir.
So
Turn
please,
editing on.
so please share your screen.
See, I'm sharing.
No, we can see, sir.
So what is the problem with you?
We can.
Please share my screen.
No, sir, you are not presenting now. We are sharing yourself.
Okay.
Abhi,
Don't worry. I'll get back. Relax. I'm back.
बेटा मेरा वो कहाँ चला गया साइड पे? मेरा इनकॉग्निटो जो खुला हुआ है.
Is it visible now? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is it
Yes, sir.
visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Great,
yes.
great. Now turn editing on.
Yes, sir.
Take a look at the hand symbol. Click onto that and turn editing on. So whenever you want to upload something or do some cosmetic changes to the site, the first thing, remember this, first thing you should do is click onto that and turn editing on. Hope everyone will remember it. Okay, then after that, underneath you can see edit settings. Click on to edit settings. And you can give the name for your site, whether it is psychology, sociology, biology, criminology, zoology. It's up to you. Give your name, name of the institution, etc., and what this site deals with. This is the demo for LMS session of so and so institution or something like that, so and so department. So you can give it like that. This will have a look be visible on your front screen. As and when a person logs in, they will be seeing these kind of things. So you need to incorporate.
9:30.
On the top, there is an arrow showing down. Click onto that arrow and you can see other formatting symbols underneath that. You can centralize, justify, right hand, left hand, subscript, superscript, etc.
Father Thompson, can you please mute yourself? Father Thompson, can you please mute yourself?
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Any questions? Can I go to the next one? Here you can see, if you want, you can insert the photo of your institution, department, or even your photo. On the top, you can see bold, italics, left hand, link, etc. Nearby that, you can see a frame with a small image of a mountain or something like that. Click onto that and it will take you to the path where you can specify where the particular picture is there. Click onto that picture and it will upload and it will be visible on the screen. This is it. If you want, you can insert your photo as well after editing the profile. Okay, can I go to the next one? This is what
So where should we add the sir?
picture.
Sir, when I clicked at the image, the dialog box opened that enter the URL.
Okay, click onto that and do one thing. You don't want to take, copy and paste. Control C, Control V.
Okay.
URL means you should upload the photos to the server, the Moodle Cloud server which you had hosted here. From there, you should specify.
Okay, sir.
Let me show you. Let me see whether I got such a thing in. No. That I'll tell you. Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll be showing that screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Okay. For the time being, cut and paste. And you can see like this. Then friends, if you had completed this thing, go back, click onto your circle there, top right, you can see a circle. Click onto that and you can see profile. Click on to profile and you will be getting all the details. You can do editing, you can insert your photo and things like that. Finally, you need to share. Hello. So when your students gets logged into the site, they will be seeing the admin's photo on the right. This is the admin, the person who has created the site, along with the image of the institution or the department which you like to exhibit. Hope you got it right.
Sir, sorry, sir, I couldn't find the place where I can upload the college emblem.
Here, front page settings. I have shown you this here. Turn editing on. Edit
Yes, sir.
settings. Edit settings. Have you given the new name? Full
Yes,
site
sir.
name. Yeah.
Yes.
Underneath that, there is a box description where
Yes,
you can
sir.
describe what this module will be dealing with.
Yes,
The
sir, I have
domain-
written.
And press enter and come down. Paste the photo there and save. Save and
In the
display.
second box.
Not the second one. See, front page summary, you can see, no? Second
Oh,
page.
okay, sir, okay, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Nearby that, you can see the image. Insert that, and if it doesn't work, I will show you another shortcut through web server, how you are saving this photo. For that, you should give me time because I have not created that slide. I will be showing it tomorrow.
Sir, it is not pasting over here. The image is not pasting over here.
Don't worry, then there will be some issue with the server. I will give you the server link as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Now type the content and save and display or save. What is the thing that is shown below that? It is save or save and display. It is not visible to me. Why? Because it is covered by sharing.
Save changes.
Save changes. Yeah. Save changes and you can see the name displayed there. Are you able to see that? Can you? Yes.
सर माय न्यू नोडल साइट आ रहा है, देन अवेलेबल कोर्स आ रहा है. आप जो बता रहे हैं वो नहीं आ रहा है. ये जो फ्रंट पेज सेटिंग जो है वो कहाँ से आएगा?
Okay, sir. Name changed.
Do one thing. Can you share your screen? I am live.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Please share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the step turn editing on? You might have not done that.
Yes, sir. नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे वो.
Yeah. Share the screen first and I will take a look at it.
Yes, sir. Yes, this is my screen. Share.
Yes, great. Yes, Aditi, you're live. You click on, go to the top
Yes,
arrow.
sir.
There is a star there. Hello. Click onto that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Setting वाला.
Turn editing on. Turn editing on.
Turn.
This is the first step, friends, you should do.
Okay.
Friends, remember this one?
Okay. Turn editing on.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
click onto that edit settings. Now come to edit settings. Click onto that star. No. Don't. That star itself.
Right
That star.
This edit summary.
No. You go to that star. Can you please go to the top one star? Click on that. Again. Please do one more time.
Then
Edit settings.
Okay.
Is it changing?
So there is no network problem, I think. So
Now it is changing. Now type your name. Can you stop sharing?
okay, I have full site name.
Yeah. You give your